Hi and welcome. Today we'll be doing something different. If you are in a healing journey and whether you're working in a therapy or doing something on your own, you might have noticed that not only your nervous system but also your body needs some time to adjust to new levels of reality. And sometimes we're experiencing so-called detox. It can come up in different symptoms in your body. You might have a slight congestion, your stomach is acting weird, or you have some skin rash, whatever that is. So I'm using this practice to help myself, to ease the symptoms a bit, to connect to the body and physicality. What we need today, just a piece of any watercolor paper, any watercolor that you have. I have this kind of palette, a glass of water, and any brush that you have. We'll be doing a very simple sketch, just to outline the intention. You don't need to have any particular skills in drawing. I like taping my paper, but you don't have to do this. It's just a habit from the watercolor. I might use a paper towel and just a simple plate to mix colors. Okay, so let's start. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale and exhale with an open mouth. You can close your eyes for a couple of seconds and try to feel in your body and ask yourself quietly, where in my body do I feel a bit heavy or irritated, or like something is shifting? Just notice, even if it's a slight, very subtle sign. Let's draw a very simple shape of a body. We don't need any realism here. You might also just draw an oval shape or anything that you feel like this is your body at the moment. Just think of it as it is a doll, just representation of your body. Okay. What I'll be doing next is just dipping my brush in water and first I would like to go to water my paper just to let the colors flow easier. You don't need to create the swimming pool here, just very gently. Try to wet the paper so it's a bit glowy from the side. And now let's choose the color that represents how you feel in your body right now. Please try not to overthink, just go with your intuition. Maybe you feel heaviness somewhere, or maybe tingling, or heat, or a fog in your head. Just let your feeling become a color. Let's start with the strongest feeling that you have and place it where you have it in your body on the paper. Let the color flow. We don't need any masterpiece here, that is not the point. You might want to take different colors if you feel like it. I feel like I might even take some color with my fingers. This is very random, but this is how I feel at the moment. Please feel free to choose colors and do how you feel. What and where is it which you're feeling? This is very personal. Please take your time here. You might pause and come back whenever you're ready. When you're done with this, let's go to the next step. And now we're choosing the color that will bring us some ease and release of what we already have on the paper. Ask yourself what would feel like support here. Choose a new color, something lighter, cooler or nourishing. Let's choose another color that will support and bring release to these areas. I feel like I will use some greens. This is a very calming color. Where it's needed, just a bit more water so the colors mix a little bit and flow. So we only have one last step left. Creating the background and giving some extra support for myself, just creating this extra layer, like a protective shield. I would like to have maybe a bit of orange here and some blues. Feel free to choose colors that speak more to you. And we are done. Look at your painting that you've created. Notice how it feels in your body. Do you feel any ease somewhere? Did something shift? Thank yourself for showing up today. Drink some water, take some rest. I'll see you in the next one.